You're literally just going to punch a little hole like that. Ta-da! And out comes a cute little circle. And in theory, at least, every single one I punch out of here is going to be the same size. So when you melt them, they'll be the same size. See what I mean? So usually I just first light up a tank. There's a lot of just plain oxygen in there, so it takes a little bit. Because I can hear the gas coming out. There we go. Okay. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. Because literally you just position the flame on there. Ta-da! Cute little granule. And then next cute little granule. Now you see, the hole puncher is great for making really small, all the same size granules. If you want to try making some like bigger ones, you know, so that you can see a little bit easier what's happening, we'll take scissors, just like we would cut our solder. We'll make a little fringe, you know, and then chop off little squares. And if you kind of make a little fringe, like so. And then you can just take this and cut them. You see what I mean? Put them right on there. Now these will be a little bigger and probably, since you're a beginner, a little bit easier to deal with.